Now we're going to do a strum pattern I call the piano strum, and it sounds like this. It's called the piano strum because we're replicating how a pianist will often play their instrument, but taking it to the guitar. Okay, it's 8/8 notes, all down strokes. So it's down, 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 down. Okay, the first of every 2 8th notes is accented. So basically, the 8th notes on the beat, on the 1, 2, 3, 4, are hit a little bit harder and a fuller part of the chord. The second, so the ands, are just the root note of the chord, which we'll go into in a sec. So basically you've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that's how we do it nice and slow on an A minor chord. So you strum the 4 chord on the 1, the 5th string on the and, 4 chord on the 2, 5th string on the and then you repeat for 3 and 4. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then when you change chord, you'll do exactly the same, but you'll do your ands on different bass notes depending on what the root note of the chord is. So on a G, it would be the 6th string. So 4 chord, 1 and on the 6th string, 2 and 3 and 4 and. So let's try that with a G together, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, now we'll try it a little bit quicker on a G. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, now we'll try it continuously on a G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, just got to get used to that movement. Keep your downstrokes nice and steady, and practice this really slow. And you'll be fine. It does take a bit of practice because you're probably not used to playing 8th notes as all downstrokes. You're probably used to going down, up, down, up. Now we're going to play the piano strum with a chord progression. We're going to do A minor, F, C, G. Now if you know your root notes, this makes this a bit easier. A minor, the root note is the 5th string, so when we do our ands, we'll be hitting the 5th string. So it'll be 1 and 2 and so on. F, it depends on how you play F. If you play the 4-finger version like I am, we'll hit the 5th string again. If you play the 3-finger version like this, you'll hit the 4th string. If you play the full version with a big bar, then you're a show off, which is cool. Then we'll do the 6th string. For C, 5th string bass, and G, 6th string bass. So altogether it sounds like this, slowly. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, now we'll try it a little quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. The piano strum's a great one because it works really well slow, it works really well quite fast, and it has a really powerful quality to it. That adds quite a lot of emotion to a song. If you ever learn a song that was originally played on piano and you want to take it to the guitar, then that's a great strum pattern to use because it often replicates what the pianist is playing. And like I said, it's very powerful, so use it and use it well.